Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 43a. Words with Qamari letters. Remember, Shamsi and Qamari letters are related to this lam only. The lam which means the definite article the or lam at-ta'rif. We have already learned Shamsi letters, the 14 letters where lam is sacrificed. For example, al plus shams will not be al-shams, it will be ash-shams. The remaining 14 letters are Qamari letters or noon letters. Qamar means noon, that's why they are called Qamari letters. And there the lam is read normally. For example, al-Qamar just is normal, al-Qamar. Al plus Qamar is al-Qamar. The only thing that you should remember is, here in this case, don't say wal-Qamar. Why? Because if there is sukoon after fatha, dhamma or kasra, or if there is shadda, then you will not read the letters in between. Okay? So you will not say wal qamar, it will be wal qamar or fal qamar or utul kitaba. You will not even recite the mad utu al kitaba, because as I said, if there is sukoon after fatha, dhamma or kasra or shadda, you will not read anything in between. Qamari letters are almost 5,000 times, which is 8 times per page. So let us start practicing. Repeat after me. بالمتقين بالمتقين بالبينات بالبينات وبالوالدين وبالوالدين والفلك والفلك والجن والجن وباليوم وباليوم للكافرين للكافرين يوم القيامة يوم القيامة. So in يوم القيامة it is between two words. It can be between two words or within a word. في الأرض في الأرض عذاب الهون عذاب الهون رب العالمين رب العالمين من الحق من الحق متاع الغرور متاع من الحق من الحق متاع الغرور متاع الغرور هم الخاسرون هم الخاسرون. That's it. جزاكم الله خير والسلام عليكم.